Aston Martin has revealed the 2024 DB12, which joins the lineup as the replacement for the outgoing DB11 Grand Tourer. It features an updated and more powerful version of the AMG-sourced 4.0-liter V-8, which now makes 671 horsepower and carries the DB12 to a top speed of 202 miles per hour. The 2024 Aston Martin DB12 joins the Aston lineup as the successor to the outgoing DB11. It features an AMG-sourced 671 HP 4.0-liter V-8, and Aston claims it will hit 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds on the way to a 202 mph top speed. The company hasn't released official pricing figures, though it did say the car is expected to start at $245,000 when it goes on sale in the third quarter of this year. The interior houses a new infotainment system designed in-house at Aston, a first for the brand. The 10.3-inch center screen is capable of both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As a Grand Tourer, or Super Tourer, as the company prefers, a luxurious interior is paramount. Hand-stitched leather and other premium materials wrap the interior and create a driver-centric cockpit. The new DB stays in keeping with the modern Aston look, and under the long hood is a new and improved V8. The upgraded 4.0-liter powers the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic gearbox and produces more power than the old V12. The DB12 features a muscled-up body with the track width increasing by about 0.2 inch at the front and 0.9 inch at the rear. The new DB12 is the first Aston sports car to wear the brand's redesigned Wings badge. The DB12 sits on new suspension with firmer anti-roll bars and Aston's latest adaptive dampers. New 21-inch wheels wear a set of specially developed Michelin Pilot Sport S5 summer tires, size 275/35 R21 in front and 315/30 R21 out back. While at this point only a coupe has been revealed, we're confident a convertible Volante variant is hiding around the corner.